Before we begin with this tutorial, I would like to tell you what is double under crisscross. Now it is quite evident from the name, it is a combination of two jump rope tricks. The first one is double unders and second one is crisscross. Now to learn this jump rope trick, you have to know how to perform double unders and crisscross. I've done a tutorial on both of these tricks. You can find it on my YouTube channel. Even after learning these two tricks, still most of the people struggle with double under crisscross. And why is that? Even though this jump rope trick is a combination of double unders and crisscross, still it has dissimilarities. First one, if you compare this jump rope trick with the double unders, you will find that you have to jump higher than double unders. And the second one, if you compare this trick with crisscross, you will find that you have to swing the rope faster than regular crisscross. Keeping that in mind and assuming that you know how to perform double unders and crisscross, we'll proceed with the first step, in which we will create a rhythm. So we'll perform basic jumps 3 times, double unders 2 times, and then try to perform double under crisscross at least once. It doesn't matter whether you are able to do it, but we will create this rhythm so that you get the hang of it and finally you are able to perform at least single double under crisscross. Now let me show you how to do it. We'll start with the basic jumps, perform it 3 times, double under 2 times, and then double under crisscross at least once. Now you might have checked that it got stuck under my feet, and let it be. It doesn't matter how many times you fail, you should get the hang of the rhythm. As long as you get the hang of the rhythm, you will be able to perform this at least one in future. So we'll try it again. 1, 2, 3. And that's how you perform at least one double under crisscross. Now if you are able to perform double under crisscross at least once, we are going to change the rhythm. We'll perform double under crisscross twice. So our rhythm is going to look like this. Basic jumps 3 times, double unders 2 times, and double under crisscross 2 times. So we'll start with the basic jumps, perform it 3 times. In the third step, we are going to practice it a lot. Now there are times when you are working so hard on a particular jump rope trick and still you are not getting it. In that case, you should divert your attention to those tricks which you already know. So for this scenario, if you are struggling with this trick, you should divert your attention to double unders and to crisscross and practice those 2 tricks and come back and try this trick again. Before I wrap this up, I would like to leave you with 2 things that you should avoid. First one, never use short length rope if you just started to learn this trick. Personally, I use short length rope all the time, and it gets extra hard to master this jump rope trick, to perform this jump rope trick. And the second one that you should avoid is never start double unders crisscross directly. Start with basic jumps, then perform double unders, and then move on to double under crisscrosses, and that way it will be easy to master this jump rope trick. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find it useful. I'll see you in the next video.